How to fix Bluetooth could not connect on Windows 10, 11, 7, or 8. Hello guys, this is Sarah from Create, Login, and Delete. Let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is come to Services, and you can do that by going to your search bar and typing Services, and then click on Open. So once you're here, go to Bluetooth Audio Gateway Service, right click on it, and then go to Properties. So make sure the startup type is Automatic, so click on this arrow button and select Automatic, and make sure this service status is running. So if it is not, go ahead and click on Start, and then click on Apply, and click on OK. So the next thing you need to do is come to Bluetooth Support Service, right click on that, and go to Properties. Make sure the startup type is Automatic, and make sure the service status is running. So another method you can do is go to Device Manager. So go to your search bar and type Device Manager, and then click on Open. So you'll see Bluetooth over here. Click on this arrow, go ahead and select the Bluetooth driver, right click on it, and then click on Update. So if you're not seeing Bluetooth option over here, then what you can do is open your Google Chrome and then type Intel Bluetooth driver. So you can include specific Windows like Windows 7 or Windows 10, 11, whatever your Windows is, and then go to the official Intel website. So you'll see there are different downloads that are available. So this is for Windows 10 and this is for Windows 11 and 10. So go ahead and download what you want, and once it's downloaded, go ahead and open the file and select the file that has just been downloaded, and then follow the prompt to install it. So this is how to fix Bluetooth could not connect on Windows 10, 11, 7, or 8. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.